Just I go and humble myself. Remember none of we no bigger than none. Every man is equal under the sun. So I go and humble myself. Yeah man, big up Foota hype, you know. I am around the ground. Yeah man, I did myself so.
Mix up and I want mix up and again. I'm Macka Diamond. Love me man the chat. Internet mix up.
Batty man, a poor batty man, still a batty bone. Don't the fire Foota. Suck out him, mama. Where am I there?
Romeich is a fish that we have blood clot, tell you. Straight fish. How are you?
So yeah myself, Romeich, no. Okay, Foota hype, nah nothing wrong Romeich. Real fireman a bun, so you fi humble yourself Romeich and just know say oh, you can't use your money and escape the fire. If you find you wrong, just upset you wrong man.
Welcome to Lion Foot TV at the right place and so don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell. Blessed love and greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness, speak up on yourself. Welcome to Lion Foot TV, you know, the man of peace. We say give thanks to life, give thanks to health and strength and that day, you know. Yes, man, big up everybody on the platform who are checking, who are interact, who are like and share the content, subscribe and click the bell, big up on yourself. Welcome if you're the first time seeing. Yes, man, in this episode we have some, you know, Foota hype and Romeich has been going at it too. You know what I mean? Foota bona fire and Romeich. Through Romeich support Derrick Morgan, you know, who's the gay man, the gay person. You know what I mean? We also have seen some artists and some, you know, other man now come out and I bash Romeich. I make Romeich know say him wrong and them a diss up Romeich wicked in the defense of Foota hype. So I'm gonna see what I go on. You see me, we also have a video from Macka Diamond where she says she mix up with she and Derrick Morgan in it. You see me, say Macka Diamond and endorse Derrick also. You see me, and you know we have a footage where she went to Swiss Leading party that kept at the stadium last weekend. Yeah, we see Romeich take picture of Derrick. You see me? We couldn't see what go up and what go on. But at the end of the day, I love saying, you know, I'm the man of peace. You see me, each to them own decision. Saying, yeah, man, but before that, people want to go check out that song. Yeah. It's your birthday, enjoy it. You see me? Produced by I&I. You see me, I say? Yeah, man. So, go on a quick snippet and you don't know, I'll leave the link in the comment section also. Saying, bless it.
Yeah, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, to you and you and you and you. It's your birthday, enjoy it. Don't let no one destroy it. Live it to the fullest. And that if you do yes, love your life, be grateful for it.
Yes, my people, as I said, I'm going to leave the link for the song, official order in the description, and look out for the AI video drop soon, saying, yes, man. Alright, so first, we could kick it off with, I don't know, Macka Diamond song, Mix Up. Macka Diamond, I should love Mix Up.
Mix up and I want mix up and again. I'm Macka Diamond. Love me man the chat. Internet mix up. Love me make me chat now. Love me make me chat now. Be a chatterbox. Love me make me chat.
What kind of mix up Macka Diamond I come with now? Is it about the artists them or the music industry? Well, here we go on, you know.
Just like Miss Finger and the mix up me a deliver. Love me make me chat now. Love me make me chat now. Me a chatterbox. Love me make me chat now. Me no business no album pop down.
Hey, Macka Diamond, be careful with the Macka Diamond. Macka Diamond said like Miss Blinger, be a mix up shall deliver. Lower me she chat. Enough album pop down. A woofer album pop down. No, Macka Diamond. Well, my viewers and subscribers, that's all Macka Diamond reveal on their page, so we are waiting for to hear the full song. See? Alright. Well, let me know what you think of what you hear so far. For me, the flow, some part of the flow sound kind of off still, but I don't know. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Yeah, man. Yes, man, so I know over the weekend, last weekend, Swiss Lead and the World Dog keep them party. But me, yes, Romeich keep it for them. I may say them keep it. I don't know, but anyway, Macka Diamond was spotted. She and Derrick Morgan enter the show. Enter the venue and we see Romeich take some pictures. So watch what I go on. man, as you can see, that's Macka Diamond and our crew, and also Derrick. You see me, and you see Romeich, I take picture selfie, or a picture, I don't know about. Like, Romeich, glad to see them. They hear me say, uncle, you see me, but they don't know, east to the moon, you know, east to the moon. If Romeich want to help Derrick, I feel money, I feel thought process, I feel option. You see me, I say, feel decision, yeah. I don't know east to the moon. You see me, I say, yeah, man. So let me know what you think about that. Big up Macka Diamond, because she said she not left out Derrick. You see me? She involved Derrick in the mix up. Moving on now, listen to them, brother. You have D-Meds. There's not many Rasta artists and a few other men. I burn some fire upon Romeich. See, you know, them know say a Foota on the ground. 1 Foota. You see me, I say, yeah, man.
Foota, hear me, I say, man, go and burn the blood clot for your dada. You see me? Straight nation. Any boy no want blood clot go against that. Any boy go against that, you know, say, man, straight bumbo clot party boy. You understand what I mean? So no man no fear send no threat. Romeich is not no bad boy. You understand what I mean? The son come man in power on the bad. He man not a bad boy. So when I say batty boy, if he dead, straight nation to God come. Because man nice and some boy are batty. Hey boy, a rich batty man or a poor batty man, is still a batty boy. Burn the fire Foota. Suck out him, mama. What am I do?
You're shaky. Just say that.
Romeich, but if I stay far from. Don't make Romeich do nothing for in her life. Ever. But see Foota come burn out blood clot Romeich because Romeich put up Batman in a hotel. Look how much other people in Jamaica need help, right? And Foota burn the right fire upon you. Are your Bex? Your bumbo clot better come talk about what you used to do for him a cassava piece. Romeich go suck out your mother. Dig up your mama and suck her out. That we have blood clot tell you. Man, I play with the rear end. Oh, that's the reason why they want Derrick up in a bumbuckler hotel. So you can go link him in the night. Romeich is a fish. That we have blood clot tell you. Straight fish. What do you? If you're gay, brother, come out and say you're gay. Nothing wrong with that, you know. We not wrong you. If you're shaky, just say that. But don't come to no shade, don't come tell no bad man message to people like you're no bad people. What do you? Humble yourself.
Just I go and humble myself. Remember none of we no bigger than none. Every man is equal under the sun. So I go and humble myself. Yeah man, big up Foota hype, you know. I am around the ground. Yeah man, I did myself so. So yeah myself, Romeich, no. Okay, Foota hype, nah not wrong Romeich. Real fireman a bun, so you fi humble yourself Romeich and just know say oh, you can't use your money and escape the fire. If you find you're wrong, just upset your wrong man. Foota hype have to preserve the nation, we have to preserve the nation. No cheating a plate, no anals, say no man to man, no woman to woman. That Foota hype a fight for. See, so the whole Jamaica, so anyone who now back Foota hype, them lean up, them bend up, and we don't want to know in the land, but just jump off in the sea, you see? Because we don't corrupt no more children around here. So we say straight nation. So Romeich, humble yourself and do the right thing. Because the fire we Foota burn are the real fire. No disrespect to your Romeich, but do the right thing. Saying, and your money can't save in our judgment, Romeich. Your money can't save in our judgment. Foota hype are them duty. Rastafari duty. Almighty works man do. Saying, where shenseea go do international, she wrong. She do her thing, she want to do her anal sex, and she did in her private area, and lock up and she and God will do that. But when she come to the public, and go on like she want to influence my child, and other people's children, we have all the right to burn her. Foota hype have all the right to burn her. And she can public ask them where she knows say it is an unbalance. Say it is a wrong act and she come in at the public with it and yeah the fire blaze. See the fire never stop blaze. So until she really humble free herself, shenseea to humble herself and just apologize to the nation. You Romeich, you need to manage shenseea properly and make shenseea know so you can't say them thing there. You can't say them thing there. You should burn a fire upon shenseea Romeich. You can't come and go and like say you don't want to put a burn fire. And then right now we have some youth now where we see a wind up on TikTok like them a girl and you keep party for them. You see it. And you don't want Foota hype burn fire. No man, the fire has to burn Romeich. And you can't bother to wear, you know. You can't bother Foota hype, Romeich. You can't bother Foota hype. Because you can't use your money strength for Foota hype. You see, the whole Jamaica back Foota hype right now. Anybody who back Foota hype in our country, lean up. That's the thing there.
That's the end of the show. Let me know your thoughts and opinion in the comment section below. Yeah, but don't forget to like and share the content, subscribe and click the bell. Each to their own choice, and I mean uprising don't fall still. Yes, me I say, that me I say, but big up Foota hype. I don't know, fighting for our cause. Yeah man, blessed.
Yeah, today I heard it. I just wanna wish you happy birthday. If I know in a good mood, it no catch up in a the worst way. Gift make the most of today, yes indeed. Because tomorrow is not guaranteed. Any negative people forward, I feel leave. Make them know, no bad energy and I feel.